Come on, y'all, pray for me. Haters stay away from me. Living in a fairy tale and make believe. Makeup, silicone, and Maybelline. Two-tone, blue stone, topazes. They can only wish you death when you flex this. Tooth gold, 2 old Rolexes. Blue eye, white guy on my neck. White lies, blue notes on precious. That they try to get to heaven off leverage. When they haven't got a section for my ethnic. Nowadays say a prayer for my next lick. R.I.P. Now R.I.P. R.I.P. One of them haven't got a place for a nigga like me. R.I.P. R.I.P. Like R.I.P. When I D.I.E. Hope haven't got a place for a G. Might not make it up to heaven, homie. Used to run around with hammers on him. Used to roll around with blickies with him. Acting up and when the liquor hit him. Everybody out the jammer on me. They would try to put the slammers on me. I'ma talking from the salmons on me. Knocking niggas out on camera, homie. Baking soda on my hammer, homie. Give a fuck if it's your grandma on me. Wildin' like I got the hammer on me. Even when I ain't got the hammer on me. Where to go and tell your grandma, homie. Better get a dog if you feelin' frog. Leapin' nigga leap, sleepin' with the dog, sleepin' with the sheep. Rest in peace, them all. Might not make it up to heaven, homie. Used to run around with hammers on him. Used to roll around with blickies with him. Acting up and when the liquor hit him. Everybody out the jammer, homie. They would try to put the slammers on me. I'ma talking from the salmons on me.